Um, in this week's discussion, we were supposed to speak with someone in a supervisory role in higher education, and wasn't able to get an appointment with her until this morning. But I did speak with the Academic Affairs VP, and we did discuss several things. One thing being the attrition rate with faculty and staff. And one of the things that she said was, when you are in a technical college, which is where I work, you have to make sure that if someone's going to teach one of the courses, that they may have a doctorate degree, they may have a master's degree, but the bachelor's degree is where they have to have their concentration in. For example, in order to teach college algebra here or any math course, they have to have a degree in math. Or they have to have a certain amount of hours in their master's program towards that area. Otherwise, they're not qualified to teach here because of our SACS accreditation requirements. So that leads to some of the attrition. You get people that come in and they may be qualified, but they just don't stay long. Or we have a hard time finding people because they don't meet the qualifications. So that's one of the things that we talked about. And then she said the big challenges to her is, of course, managing the instructors, because we have so many adjunct. She did say that full-time, of course, is more dependable. You can get them to do more things than your part-time adjunct, which I do find true in my department as well. And that you have to really listen to the teachers and what they need and what they want, and that makes it a lot better. Have a lot of faculty meetings to where you look at their input, ask them to give you their opinion on different programs, and that was the basis of our conversation. We did talk a long time just about how things work on the campus, how you have to make sure that you are listening to everybody, because no matter what, you're going to have one department that's going to have vocal teachers, and you're going to have other departments that are not going to be very vocal. So that is what I took away from the discussion this week. And then I did ask her one thing, and I said, if you had to pick one thing to be a better supervisor, what would it be? And she said that taking the time to go to each department and visit with the faculty would be something that she would try to do more, because she doesn't get to do that because of her job. And so that's one thing that she thinks would help be for someone future like myself, is to make sure that you do take that time to spend with someone, to get to know them and learn kind of their learning style, and kind of develop your professional development around those type of things. So I know that it was a little late, but I couldn't get an appointment with them. So I hope you have a great week.